Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Happy 55th birthday, Lilian! God bless you! We love you!
Hello, my beautiful kumare. It's your birthday. I wish you good health, long life, and happiness. May you will enjoy your birthday celebration with your family. Again, happy birthday and God bless you always. Thank you. Kumusta na sa lahat dyan? Kaingat!
Hi Lilian! Happy 55th birthday to you! Stay beautiful and sexy like us! Papalsi ka lang sirin! We love you!
Love you. Ayan, happy 55th birthday. Have a blessed birthday and a splendid year ahead. Mapapansin ka na si rin, kapinsan. Sige, bye-bye.
Hi, Mari. Happy birthday. I hope this year brings you all the joys and success you deserve. Happy 55th birthday, Mari. I love you.
Hi, Bes, my kumari. It's your day today. Happy birthday. Bes, many happy returns of the day. May you have peace and happiness in life. Having you is like a diamond. Good health. God bless. Enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday.
Tito.
Hello, good day. This is it. It's your birthday again, kapinsan. Another year has been added to your age. Since you are a very special person, so an amazing person like you deserves an amazing celebration. Kaya na nag-PM si Aryan, sinabi niya sa akin na, Nang, pwede po ba ninyong mabigyan ng message ang mami ko? Sabi ko, oh, why not? Diba? Since sa ating magkapipinsan, tayong sabay na lumaki. Okay, so I hope na surpresa ka ni na Aryan, Alyssa, Kirby, at syempre sa dalawang manugang, at of course, yung pinaka-favorite mong apo, di ba? Okay. I wish whatever you ask, may you receive. Whatever you seek, may you find. And whatever you wish, may it be fulfilled on your birthdays and always. Okay, so you have to live your life to the fullest and enjoy every moment of your life. Have a blessed birthday and a splendid year ahead. Happy 55th birthday, kapinsan. God bless. See you soon. Love you. Pakikumusta mo na rin ako kina Ate Zenny at of course, si Pare Edgar. Love you. Bye.
Lilian, happy birthday. May you have many birthdays to come. At sana bigyan ka ng lakas ng pangangatawan at habang buhay. At sana makarating kami dyan. Salamat.
Happy birthday to my beautiful sister. Good health and happiness in your life. I miss you. See you soon. Love you. Mwah.
Maligayang kaarawan, Lil. Miss ka na namin ng mama mo. Pero wag ka mag-alala sa amin. Nasa masayang place na kami and thank you sa inyong sacrifice ni Amy para sa amin ng mama nyo. Enjoy mo ang iyong kaarawan kasama mga pamilya mo at kaibigan. Wish lang namin maging healthy ka and masaya araw-araw.
Maligayang kaarawan, Lil. Miss na miss ka namin ng papa mo. Pero masaya kami dahil kasama mo mga pamilya mo sa kaarawan mo. Enjoyin mo lagi ang araw-araw mo kasama mga pamilya mo. Thank you sa lahat and lagi lang kami andito ng papa mo. Stay healthy and strong. We love you.